Hi guys, this is my 1977 CL Charger. Impact orange. It's a 318 4-speed. This is a super original car. It's got 13,000 Ks on it. It was purchased by my father in 1978 off Chrysler Australia Lease, where it had 11,000 Ks on it at that time, and my dad did another 2,000 Ks on it in about a year, and then parked it up and deregistered it. So you can see the interior is absolutely immaculate. See the original fabric on the seats, the steering wheel. I'll zoom in on the speedo there, and we've got 13,530 Ks, as you can see. You can see the dashboard is just magnificent. Door cards, fantastic. 4-speed gearbox. I'll pop the bonnet for you. Have a quick look under the bonnet. Missing a headlight. I've actually got the headlight. Here we go. 318 Fireball with still got some original paint on the hose there. We've even got a little light in here so that when you break down at night time and you pop the pop your bonnet, this little light here goes on. It's particularly handy if you're going to be at the side of the road working on your old car. You can see down here we've got the original Dunlop Aquajets that came factory fitted. They're pretty crazed and certainly not roadworthy anymore. I've cleaned up this rim. This is a Sankey Benson rim. I've given it a bit of a polish to see if it will clean up okay, and it seems to be coming up good. As you can see, this is the state of the wheels when I got it. See, if I zoom in on that, you can see that weight there is in ounces. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not, but yeah. So this is a super original car. You can see I've cleaned up the rear bar a little bit. Chrome on it, so you don't get chrome like that anymore. Original tow bar. I'll pop the boot. Here we are. This is one brand new Dunlop Aquajet, which not quite sure how you'd go if you wanted to go and buy one of these now. You'd be struggling to find one. You can see under the boot here the original impact orange. It's a fantastic colour. Such a shame that the paint didn't survive 40 years, but there's the jack instructions there. Original boot lining in there. Oh, I've got to fix the radiator, the heater core. It's had a leak. But yeah, I'll next video I'll show you some of the documentation I got with the car. So stay tuned.